Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Let's begin. So once you open your web browser, head over to the top right and then select the three dots. From there, go to the bottom and choose Settings. Afterwards, head over to the top and you'll see something which says Clear Browsing Data. Select it. Now under Time Range, make sure that you choose the drop-down option and choose All Time. After selecting All Time, make sure that you select Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and other site data, cached images and files. So after you clear everything here, you are going to need to sign into your Roblox account again and all the other accounts that you've logged in on your web browser before. Once you've decided, select Clear Now. And then see if the problem is fixed. The second thing to do would be to go to your Windows Start icon and then in the search bar type in Services. Then select it over here. You're going to expand it. Then afterwards, you're going to look for W. So now it starts with A, so we're going to scroll down until we see W. Look for something which says Windows, Pen, and Ink. Now, I currently do not have it, but you're going to see it somewhere here in the middle. Once you found it, you're going to right-click and then choose Properties, and then look for something which says Startup Type. You're going to select the drop-down option and choose Disabled. If it's on automatic or manual, simply select Disabled, and then select Apply. Then select OK. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.